See, I think it's all about change management. So many organizations set very bold aspirations, right? And few succeed when it comes to change management. And it's a very, very broad topic. Obviously, I can't really cover it in like a few sentences. But if you kind of look at it, it's a twofold challenge, right? One is managing the implementation, and second is keeping the energy levels very high when you're actually doing a change. When I'm saying energy level, it's about the users, it's about the teams who are going through the change, right? I think some of the key, I think, information or learnings that I can share is never stop at vision and planning. Right, you have to actually develop key themes. Make the outcomes more meaningful. Right, instead of saying that we will make this change in the organization or something like that, you actually have to go a little narrow in terms of what sort of changes are going to be coming. So as an example, you say that I'm going to be developing a strong organization foundation by technology, or a transformation of culture, or customer retention, or improvement of infrastructure. It could be anything, right? But which are very focused themes that you're looking at from a change management perspective. And the most important thing for any change is it has to be owned by everyone. So when you look at from a user point of view, I think the first thing that comes to their mind is what's in it for me, right? I think if you're able to solve that problem, and if you're able to answer that question, I think the change is easy. It's not difficult, right? Another important thing is a change has to always be sponsored by the top. It drives that rigor. The buy-in is much faster. And also, to make sure that the change is effective, we have to practically run campaigns, right? So it could be a military level campaigns, or it could be a marketing campaigns. When I say military, it could be typically a PMO, steering committees, which is making sure that the change is constantly pushed through the program. And it's all about effective communication at the end of the day, right? So you have to tell people what's in it for them. You have to communicate what change is coming and how their life will change, right? And the idea is people understand the change, and they start embracing the change that is coming in, right? And not stopping there, I think it's important for any change manager or any person who's trying to look for change or trying to drive a change, has to look for early success, right? So and maybe look for early success symbols. Continue to monitor, right? I mean, don't be happy with the early success results, right? Continue to monitor the health of the program, maybe budgets or performance or shareholder value, whether it is able to create or not. I think some of these things are important, right, when you're looking at it from a change management perspective. And what's more important is if you're slightly deviating from the main course that you have drawn, constant course correction is important, especially from a change management point of view. I think if you are able to keep in mind some of these pointers in when you're trying to make changes, I think life will become much more easy when you're trying to drive large changes in an organization.